Hello friends, I am Shaurya Mishra. Welcome you to your own YouTube channel Vision Care Advisor. Friends, today we will talk about everything of transposition, like what is transposition, why transposition required for prescription glasses, and how can we do the transposition. I will explain you everything in very easy steps and you never forget the concept of transposition. Friends, before starting the video, please do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that as soon as our new videos comes, you will get the notification. So, let's get started. Firstly, we need to know that what is transposition. Friends, actually transposition indicates to transfer of lens power from one form to another form and their meridian value remains the same in both forms. It means to rewrite of its power without changing their values. Now, why we require to transpose the eyeglasses prescription? Friends, actually there is a myth as some of the practitioners said that minus cylinder lens is easily accepted by the patient and vision would be better compared to plus cylinder lenses. Friends, just want to share you that both minus cylinder lenses and plus cylinder lenses are optically similar and it does not make any differences to the patient's vision. Actually, glasses grinding machine takes cylindrical only in the negative form, hence transposition becomes necessary in some cases and also it is necessary when the patient has distance power and near power also and eye care practitioner prescribed to make the glasses separately, distance and near. And for near power we have to transpose to make the near vision glasses. Now coming to know how can we transpose the prescription of the lenses. Friends, there are three values in any prescription: first spherical, second cylindrical and third axis. So we need to do only three simple steps to transpose any type of prescription of eyeglasses. Step 1. Do the algebraic sum of given spherical value and cylindrical value and you will get the new spherical value. For example, if there is a prescription like plus 1.50 diopter spherical and with plus 1 diopter cylindrical at the axis of 90 degree, so in this prescription you need to take the value of spherical and add the value of cylindrical to get the new spherical value. So in this example we will add the algebraic numbers plus 1.50 and plus 1 and after adding these algebraic values we will get the sum value as new spherical, that would be plus 2.50 diopter sphere. Now go to the next step. Step 2. Change the sign of the given cylinder but don't change the value of cylindrical and you will get the new dioptric cylinder. In the above example, plus 1.50 diopter sphere with plus 1 diopter cylinder at the axis of 90, you have to change the sign of cylindrical as in the above example, the cylindrical sign is plus. So, you have to change the sign from plus to minus and will get the new cylindrical. So, in this example, you will get the new cylindrical, that would be minus 1 diopter cylinder. Now come to the next step. Step 3. Change the given axis by 90 degrees. It means that we have to add the value of 90 or subtract the value of 90 in the given axis value, but the new axis should be between 1 to 180. Friends, in this step you are thinking that how do we know that when we have to add and when we have to subtract. You thought that it's really confusing. Friends, actually, it's very simple and easy, and you don't need to worry. As we mentioned that the value of new axis should be between 1 to 180, so it's the hint. And do always remember that if the sum of the axis is coming more than 180, in this case you have to subtract 90 from given axis value. In the above example, plus 1.50 diopter sphere with plus 1 diopter cylinder at the axis of 90. Now, in this example, we need to add by 90 in the value of axis, and we'll get the new sum of the axis value, that would be 180. So friends, now you have to remember these three steps, and the transposition will be so easy. In the example, plus 1.50 diopter sphere with plus 1 diopter cylinder at the axis of 90. For new sphere, we have to add algebraic sum of spherical and cylindrical, and we'll get plus 2.50 diopter sphere. For new cylindrical, we have to change the value, and we'll get minus 1 diopter cylinder. And for new axis, we have to add by 90, and after adding 90, you will get 180. So friends, let's do some more example to clear all the doubts if you have any. Example number 1. If the prescription is plus 2 diopter sphere with plus 2.50 diopter cylindrical at the axis of 150 degree. So, for new spherical, we need to add the algebraic sum of the given value of spherical and cylindrical. Now, in this example, the algebraic sphere is plus 2 and algebraic cylinder is plus 2.50. After adding algebraic numbers plus 2 and plus 2.50, you will get the new spherical value, that would be plus 4.50 diopter sphere. For new cylindrical, we have to change the sign of cylindrical but not the value of cylindrical, and you will get the new cylindrical, and here the sign of cylindrical is plus and it will be become minus, and the new cylindrical would be minus 2.50 diopter cylindrical. And for new axis, we have to add the value of 90 in the axis value of 150. Friends, after adding 90 in the value of axis 150, you will get the new axis value, that would be 240. Do you think that we have done the part of axis? Friends, actually we haven't done it, because as per step 3, as I told you that the axis should never exceed the value from 180, and it should be between 1 to 180. So in this case, we have to subtract the value of 90 from 150, and you will get the new cylindrical axis, that would be 60. So after transposing, prescription would be plus 4.50 diopter sphere with minus 2.50 at the axis of 60 degrees. Example number 2. If the prescription is minus 1.75 diopter sphere with plus 3.75 diopter cylinder at the axis of 30 degree. So for new spherical, we need to add the algebraic sum of the given value of spherical and cylindrical. Now in this example, the algebraic sphere is minus 1.75 and the algebraic cylinder is plus 3.75. After adding algebraic numbers minus 1.75 and plus 3.75, you will get the new spherical value, that would be plus 2.00 diopter sphere. For new cylindrical, we have to change the sign of cylindrical but not the value of cylindrical, and you will get the new cylindrical, and here the sign of cylindrical is plus and it will become minus, and the new cylindrical would be minus 3.75 diopter cylinder. And for new axis, we have to add the value of 90 in the axis value of 30, and after adding 90 in the value of 30, you will get the new axis value, that would be 120 degrees. So After transposing, prescription would be plus 2.00 diopter sphere with minus 3.75 diopter cylinder at the axis of 120. Example number 3. If the prescription is plus 0.50 diopter sphere with plus 2.50 diopter cylinder at the axis of 60 degree, and here are mentioned the near power as prescribed by add plus 1.50 diopter sphere. Actually, for distance, the transposition is same as mentioned before, but for near, we have to add the near algebraic value mentioned in the spherical value only. So, let's do the transpose of given example. Friends, firstly we will do the transpose for distance and then for reading. For distance, firstly we'll go for new spherical and we need to add the algebraic sum of the given value of spherical and cylindrical. Now in this example, the algebraic sphere is plus 0.50 diopter sphere and the algebraic cylinder is plus 2.50. After adding algebraic numbers plus 0.50 and plus 2.50, you will get the new spherical value, that would be plus 3.00 diopter sphere. For new cylindrical, we have to change the sign of cylindrical but not the value of cylindrical, and you will get the new cylindrical, and here the sign of cylindrical is plus and it will be become minus, and the new cylindrical would be minus 2.50 diopter cylinder. And for new axis, we have to add the value of 90 in the axis value of 60, and after adding 90 in the value of 60, you will get the new axis value, that would be 150 degrees. So, for distance prescription, after transposing, the prescription would be plus 3.00 diopter sphere with minus 2.50 at the axis of 150. And now for reading, you have to add the algebraic number of addition in the algebraic spherical value of distance only, but don't touch the cylindrical value and sign and axis value also, and you will get the reading power. Now in this prescription, the algebraic number of addition is plus 1.50 and algebraic number of distance spherical is plus 3. After adding algebraic number of plus 3 and plus 1.50, you will get the new spherical value for reading power, that would be plus 4.50 diopter sphere. So for near prescription, after transposing, the prescription would be plus 4.50 diopter sphere with minus 2.50 at the axis of 150. Let's do one more example. Example number 4. If the prescription is minus 5.50 diopter sphere with plus 3.00 diopter cylinder at the axis of 80 degree, and here are mentioned the near power as prescribed by add plus 2.75 diopter sphere. Actually, for distance, the transposition is same as mentioned before, but for near, we have to add the near algebraic value mentioned in the spherical value only. So let's do the transpose of given example. Friends, firstly we will do the transpose for distance and then for reading. For distance, firstly we'll go for new spherical and we need to add the algebraic sum of the given value of spherical and cylindrical. Now in this example, the algebraic sphere is minus 5.50 and the algebraic cylinder is plus 3. After adding algebraic numbers minus 5.50 and plus 3, you will get the new spherical value, that would be minus 2.50 diopter spherical. For new cylindrical, we have to change the sign of cylindrical but not the value of cylindrical, and you will get the new cylindrical, and here the sign of cylindrical is plus and it will be become minus, and the new cylindrical would be minus 3 diopter cylinder. And for a new axis, we have to add the value of 90 in the axis value of 80 and after adding 90 in the value of 80, you will get the new axis value, that would be 170 degrees. So for distance prescription, after transposing, the prescription would be minus 2.50 diopter sphere with minus 3 diopter cylinder at the axis of 170. And now for reading, you have to add the algebraic number of addition in the algebraic spherical value of distance only, but don't touch the cylindrical value and sign and axis value also, and you will get the reading power. Now, in this prescription, the algebraic number of addition is plus 2.75 and the algebraic number of distance spherical is minus 2.50. After adding algebraic numbers plus 2.75 and minus 2.50, you will get the new spherical value for reading power, that would be plus 0.25 diopter sphere. So, for near prescription after transposing, the prescription would be plus 0.25 diopter sphere with minus 2.50 at the axis of 170. Thank you for watching. Do remember to check your vision yearly and see the world clearly.